In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background color in PowerPoint. This is a quick way to give your slides a clean, consistent look, and it only takes a moment once you know where to click. Start by opening your presentation and going to any slide. On the slide itself, right-click on an empty area of the canvas. Make sure you're not clicking on a text box, picture, chart, or any other object because that will show a different menu. When you right-click on blank space, look for the option called Format Background and select it. A panel will open on the right side of your screen. In that panel, choose Solid Fill. Solid Fill simply means you're applying one uniform color to the whole slide background, which is a simple and reliable choice for most presentations. Next, it's time to pick the color. In the same panel, click the color icon to open the color picker. You'll see a palette of options, including colors that match your current theme as well as standard choices. As you click through, you'll notice PowerPoint previews the color on your slide right away, so you can see how it looks before you commit. Take a moment to think about readability here. If you typically use dark text, lighter background colors will help your content stand out, and if you use light text, a darker background will usually work better. Sticking with theme colors can also help your slides feel consistent with any charts or shapes already in your deck. If you want the same background color across your entire presentation, look to the bottom of the Format Background panel and click Apply to All. The change will cascade to every slide, giving your deck a uniform appearance. If you prefer the color on just the slide you're working on, simply don't click Apply to All. Leaving that button alone keeps the color change on the current slide only. That flexibility is useful if you want a different color for a title slide or to highlight a section break without affecting the rest of your content. That's all there is to it. Right-click on a blank area of the slide, open Format Background, choose Solid Fill, pick your color, and if you want to update the whole presentation, finish with Apply to All. You can always return to the Format Background panel to try a different color later, and PowerPoint will update your slides instantly. With just these few clicks, you can create a cleaner, more professional look that enhances your message without distracting from it.